How to use Bluehost for beginners. So basically on Bluehost you can host your websites, you can buy a domain, and you can even create websites. Now as you can see, if you want, you can also get a personal email, a professional one with your own brand. So all you have to do is simply go to Bluehost and then simply start by typing in your domain name. So I'm gonna type something random and then simply click on the search button. Now here, as you can see, Bluehost will show you different options. So you have .com, you have .net, .store, and other domain names. Now after you choose the one that you like, simply click on proceed. Now here, if you want, you can use this to basically host your website. So you're gonna need one because you don't need just the domain. You need to something to to host your website on. So you're gonna have to simply choose one of these. So if you want, you can go with the basic one. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on proceed and then simply enter the billing information and create your account and then simply pay for it, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.